Gorgeous Queens, welcome back to Life with Lokie, and today I have something very exciting to share which I have never ever done on my channel before, and it is also a first for me, which is my first Louis Vuitton purchase from Paris and my first ever luxury ready-to-wear. As promised from last week's video where I shared with you ladies my first encounter in the Louis Vuitton boutique in Paris and short snippets of it, today we will find out what exactly I pampered myself with. And of course, those of you new here, welcome to my channel, and my name is Lokie. I enjoy chatting and sharing about luxury from both vintage, pre-loved and brand new. As a consumer myself, I indulge myself in luxury reviews on YouTube as it helps me with deciding on my next purchase and what I would expect in my purchase. So if you love content like this and like practical and honest reviews of luxury goodies, then I hope you subscribe to my channel and join my family where we explore the luxury world together. Okay, so without further ado, I have my very first Louis Vuitton purchase from Paris sitting right here with me. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in a Louis Vuitton bag or box, which is a shame, but it comes in this very non-flashy, nondescript white paper bag. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Alright, so ta-da! Well, I have never purchased a luxury ready-to-wear item before from any brands, but this item just caught my eye over and over again. Somehow, I visited the Singapore boutique to also check it out, and I have been constantly mesmerized by the design. So, are you ready? Okay, it came like that, and I'll just slowly undo it. And introducing to you guys, are you ready? Introducing to you guys, ta-da! Ta-da! My first Louis Vuitton coat. I still have the text here, and what does this say? So this is the hooded wrap pea coat. I got it in size 34, and I'm loving this colorway so much, and the hooded detail here is so chic. We will look at this classic coat later in detail, and I will try to do some mod shots for you as well. So I was between this color and a similar one with the monograms in a slightly darker shade of brown. There's also a black one with grey monogram, and somehow at the boutique I eyeballed a dark brown one with the monogram in black. That was the piece security was called in to remove the locks for me, and unfortunately it was out of stock in my size. Well, as you know me, I love anything classic but subtle without branding, and not too flashy with the brands or monogram. So this gorgeous coat with the faint Louis Vuitton monogram is the perfect piece for my style. Yes, gorgeous, isn't it? Ta-da! Well, let me show you how gorgeous this coat is and why I got it. Personally, I was desperately trying to find reviews of this coat on YouTube and online, and I think Cherish on LVloverCC has a few of these coats too, and they look amazing on her. But apart from that, I couldn't find any other reviews for it. So the main body of this coat is in wool, and if you had a chance to touch it, oh my, it is so soft in touch. I love this color for the gorgeous Louis Vuitton monogram, which is very subtle. Initially, when I was browsing this coat online, they had a few other colorways with more visible monogram print due to the color contrast, like the grey on black and caramel on the light brown coat. I also saw the larger monogram print, which I loved so much. But thing is, I had to try in store to see if it fits me properly. So I really adore the subtlety of the monogram for this coat, which is a very faint monogram on the light cream color. And I love that it is only on one side, which also comes down the inner front, while the rest of the coat is just in very classic monogram color. So there are two pockets here which are well hidden. There you go, one here, and on the other side another pocket right there. And so, you know, fantastically gorgeous. These two pockets are hidden. It feels so silky and soft. And what I even like about it, which the Louis Vuitton SA showed me, was that the sleeves can be folded up a little to show a bit of the Louis Vuitton monogram. So let me just show you. It is so pretty. There you go. So if we fold it up this way, you can see a little bit of the monogram right there. I am also loving the caramel trims of this coat, which I feel is very classic. Now this robe has the Louis Vuitton wording on one side, but if you know me, I will be wearing it, the robe, which is the belt here, has the Louis Vuitton word on one side. But if you know me, I will be probably wearing the belt on the other side because it doesn't show the brand at all. Yeah. I also noticed a little surprise detail, which is the belt strap on one side here has the Louis Vuitton monogram, just like the Speedy, while the one on the other side, hang on, okay, while the one on the other side, which is right there, is just in normal wool. Okay, which is a little bit of a surprise, and I really like that. Well, I would really love to show you this coat up close first before we jump into the mod shots. Cheers Queen, so let's just do a detailed review look at this coat. So it comes with a Louis Vuitton coat hanger. I got it in the size 34, says made in Italy here, and these are the tag. So the monogram that I got is very faint. If you can tell, it's very faint in color, but you can see the little bit of contrast there. So mine is a very nice like camel colored coat, and love the colorway of the trimmings. The hardware is in gold hardware, and with the belted detail, it says Louis Vuitton Paris across all the way to the back, but on the flip side it's just like a normal colored leather. So in terms of the sleeves, so one part you can actually fold it up actually on both sides, and part of the sleeve you can see like this real small detail up here, which is beautiful. Also with the belt line, so one of them is in just normal wool, and the other one is with the monogram, just like the one in the coated canvas. The pockets on the side are here, which are slip pockets on both sides. And let's just look on the interior. It's beautiful. So a little bit of like a satin finish, but the entire inner is all in this monogram print, which is so gorgeous. Now let's just flip it on the back, so we will have a look on the back. The hoodie is pretty large, but it's all in the monogram. And all the way down, this is how it looks. So I really love the really subtlety of this coat. Well, I really love the many ways how this coat can be worn. I've seen some ladies style it all wrapped up, or even let it loose and let the monogram show down the front. I love how it looks with the slight hint of monogram on the sides here. Well, I stand at 1.68 meters, and I feel that this short style works in my favor and doesn't look too heavy on me. I also adore how the hoodie looks so casual yet chic at the same time. Well, I was initially contemplating on the longer version, but it kind of makes me look short and heavy with the long version coats. At the Louis Vuitton Paris boutique, I was also eyeing the hooded cape in black, which looked amazing as well, and it had 1 to 2 loose ribbons on the side, which kind of made me hesitate with the purchase. And I was thinking to myself, if it wasn't for those 2 ribbon features, I would have purchased it as well. And guess what, guys? I just popped back onto the Louis Vuitton website and saw this reversible Mahina monogram cape, which I feel is the perfect classy cape to own without all the dangly bits of ribbon. And I can't wait to see this cape in person with the large monogram details on the interior. Well, another coat which I tried on was the anchor button A-line coat. However, the button detail was not really my thing, so I had to pass on that. I tried on also exactly this same piece in the black color, but I found the monogram on the interior way too loud for me, though black will be very easy to care for overall. Well, a few other new items that I spotted on the Louis Vuitton website I wish was available in store is the reversible mahina monogram cake, of course, because it is so sleek and classy and it's in black, which is easy to use. I also love the reversible mahina monogram wrap coat with the large monogram in perforated print. It's interesting how they make it reversible, so that will be interesting to check out in store this season. Well, the next piece which caught my eye is the camel hair cocoon coat, which is cute in its silhouette and doesn't scream Louis Vuitton at all. I love how the pockets are hidden between the folds. Overall, it gives a very slouchy vibe, but yet the colorway is amazing to dress up or down with. Well, I really love my first luxury ready-to-wear purchase from the luxury house of Louis Vuitton. In fact, I can't wait to use it on my next trip and put it to good use. For those of you keen on the price, it is 3,900 euros. And for Louis Vuitton, the VAT refund was 12%, which is a lot of savings if purchased in Europe. I think from memory, it was about 7,600 Singapore dollars retail price, so the savings is tremendous. Anyhow, I must be very lucky to have this colorway in exactly my size at the boutique to complete my first Louis Vuitton Paris experience. I think I must be first time lucky. Recently, Ash from Ash It Lux, my good friend on YouTube, has been sending me so many beautiful pictures of Louis Vuitton hoodies and coats and has been keeping me updated with what's trending. And I must say I am blown away by the many beautiful classic designs in Louis Vuitton. Thank you so much, Ash. I hope all of you enjoyed my little first Paris unboxing from Louis Vuitton. And for those of you who are looking to also purchase this coat, I hope this video was useful in some way. Do feel free to ask me any questions about it down in the comment section. Also, do remember to subscribe to my channel and join my Lux family because there is so much Paris content I have prepared for you in the coming weeks. Keep safe and have a blessed week, Queens. Goodbye.